Hey guys, Justin here from Jackson Grills, and I'm really excited to show you what we've been working on for the last year. 12 months ago at our Dealer Days event, we showed off a prototype for the Black Stainless Lux Series, and the response was overwhelming. We knew we needed to bring this product to the marketplace. Stainless steel has always been the standard for ultra-premium grills. That's why every single premium manufacturer uses this material to build their grills. At Jackson Grills, we're no different. That's why I'm excited to tell you about black stainless steel. This is not a painted finish. This is not an enameled finish. This is not a wrap. This is not a powder coat. This is an incredibly durable PVD finish that changes the molecular structure of the surface of our grills, giving this incredible deep black obsidian finish. Underneath is the same stainless steel Lux that you've known and grown to love. Cooking performance, reliability, durability, and a low cost of lifetime ownership have always made the Lux a winner. To complement the black finish, we've updated our knobs with a soft touch grip and a more modern cylindrical aesthetic. We've blacked out our casters for an overall seamless look. Everything you're used to in the Lux is still here, now in this new finish. Whether you prefer natural stainless steel, that product is here for you today, or this incredible new black stainless steel, launching March 2026, make an appointment to go down to one of your dealers today to check out this incredible grill in person.